Hey everyone, Guillermo Vera from the Bunker Insurance and Risk Management, and continuing with our Return to Work series, we're going to discuss 6 ways in which having a Return to Work program benefits your company. It's no secret that having a Return to Work program reduces the number of days your employees are away from work. It allows your employees to recover more quickly, and it promotes a healthier work environment. So here are 6 ways in which having a Return to Work program can benefit your company financially. Number 1, it anticipates and controls hidden costs. Number 2, it reduces the financial impact of workplace injuries. Number 3, it provides a proactive approach to cost containment. Number 4, it improves your company's ability to respond to an injury claim. Number 5, you get your experienced employees back to work as safely as possible and not have to deal with the cost of hiring and retraining. And number 6, it allows you to keep regular contact with your employees who have been injured at work. Of course, having a Return to Work program will help boost morale within the company. It will discourage abuse. It will establish solid communication and organization within the company. And it will enhance the injured employee's self-worth. Because I know what you're thinking. Wouldn't the employees want to stay home for a week or so? They might. But eventually, studies have shown that people do want to get back to work as soon as possible. And if they have a way to do so by doing some light duty around the office, they'd be more than willing to do it. So if you see the benefit of having a Return to Work program and you feel like yours might need a little tweaking or at least a review, give us a call and we'll help you move from danger to a safe place.